Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to use new updated Google Meet. Yes, what is new updated Google Meet? So Google Meet has new look for Google Meet and host control to stop chat and stop screen sharing, mute all in single click, hand raise option, recording option and everything. So it makes a layout differently. Let's look out and what is new in Google updated Google Meet. Let's check it out. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop, I just open Chrome browser. I just go to meet.google.com. So once you enter meet.google.com, your entire screen, that is Meet screen, will be changed like a light blue color model. So this is the latest model. So now I want to enter the meeting to see the layouts. So just click the new meeting. So once I click the new meeting, I just start instant meeting. So once I start instant meeting, yes, so this is a new look. So before that it was there, that side. So left hand side there will be every option will be displayed over here. So I have a menu. So menus will be there in the old template, old layout, but new layout is different. So you can see in your left hand side corner one small box which is meeting details. So your meeting is ready, so share the link with your audience and you can add the participant. If you want to close this pop-up, just close this pop-up. Yes, so clear, clean look, only my video. So whatever I'm talking to the participant, only my video will be displayed in the center box. Every option is given here on the downside. You can able to see. So this is my 10-digit code, meeting code. What is the time today? So that is me. So my camera and mic is working. So that's why I am you, and this time and what is the meeting code is given here in your left hand side corner. If my mic is on means it will be on, switched on. So if I switched off means automatically red color will be turned. So just click here. So my mic is on, whether I'm talking means my mic is working properly, the symbol is given here. Yes, similarly video camera also in the downside, and you will have the caption option. So once you click a caption option, so there will be a different kind of languages provided. For example, if you want to turn on English language and if you want to turn on to some other Spanish language or any other language, you can click here to change all the languages, French, German, Portuguese and all the languages which is given from the Google Meet. So you can change according to your region. Yes, if I want to turn off my caption, just to click means automatically my caption will be turned off. So here there will be a new option, so that is a raise hand option. For example, your class, so your students may ask the question, so they can ask to raise their hands means they can able to raise their hands. Once they raise their hands means the symbol will come. So those who are host, those will get inputs from the raise hand option. So just hit the button, automatically it will be hide. So if you want to share your screen, just click and present now entire screen, entire window, entire tab. So it's the same thing whatever we did in the layout, old layout, same option only they have given here. So once you click the entire layout, once you share the screen means automatically your screen, that is your presenting means automatically on top you will get option you are presenting to everyone. If you want to stop presenting, you can stop presenting here. So before that stop presenting will downside. So now the new layout is given like a stop presenting here. So you can stop presenting over here automatically. Whatever you're presenting, that will stop. Yes, so here there will be a 3 dots option. Once you click the more option, you will get a change background, recording meeting, whiteboard, full screen, switch camera, everything. Every new layout, every new model will be displayed over here in the menu bar, that is more option. For example, I want to change my background, I can click and change my background. Whatever background I want, I can change according to my needs. So Google Meet has provided beautiful layouts, so you can take from the external drive also. So I just click here to change my background, whatever background I want I can change, otherwise I just switch off nothing, so nothing will be there in the background. Yes, so here there will be a recording option will be available. Once you click the recording, automatically your meeting will start recording. It will ask you, so before that it automatically record the meeting, but it will ask you record your meeting. When your recording is finished, it will be saved organizers meeting recording folder in Google Drive. Yes, so Google has provided the inputs information, so while you are recording, so anyone can record the meeting, but those who have hosting that, they will receive the meeting recording option. So you can start recording automatically, your meeting will be start recording. So once I start recording the meeting means automatically my recording option will be displayed over here, so you can able to see yes, my meeting is recording there. So this is the most important step, and from here you can go to the whiteboard option. So you can ask your students to do the jam. So just start a new whiteboard, so create a Jamboard. You can create your whiteboard option. So from here to there, so there is nothing to change here. There is normal one, so whatever you did on the old layout, same thing only here. Yes, so here there will be a full screen option. So once you click the full screen, it's a beautiful way. So fully black layout and screen, center screen, and downside only your accent menu. So there is no disturbance. You can talk directly to your participant or audience. So there is no disturbance in the menu, side menu or anything. Everything is inside the downside the area. So if you want to exit the full screen, just escape button, you can exit this full screen option. So just click the more menu, so you will get a caption option on all reporting setting. Everything will be there. If you're using your two cameras, you can switch the camera in the secondary and primary camera. For example, desktop users, they may have two cameras, means they can show to them, so that's why the switch camera also will be available. So here there will be a meeting information. So whatever meeting information, it will be displayed over here in the left hand side. If you want to hide, just close, means automatically that will hide. Your entire screen will be displayed over here. So participant list also will be available. Once you click, you can see every participant. Yes, here there will be a new option given to the Google Meet. Yes, what is a new option? You can mute all the participants. Once you click, means all the participants will be muted in a single click. So before that, we used to have the extension of Google extension to mute all the one, but here the Google Meet is provided for us all muted. So one click, all will be, those who are there in the participant, everyone will be muted. So you can add the participant, you can have the host control also. So once you click the host control, let's everyone share their screen. If you switch off, means let's send chat to everyone. If you switch off, means automatically no one can chat, no one can share the screen. So only teacher can share the screen, and if they have doubt, so they can enable, teachers can enable, so they can chat and they can able to get back. So if you have a doubt, if student has the doubt, means they can raise their hands and they can ask the question. Otherwise, if everyone muted, unmuted and disturbed, means you just click mute all, means automatically everyone can mute their mic without their permission. So automatically the Google Meet itself mute all the participants. Yes, this is one of the coolest step. And there will be a chat option. Once you click the chat option, so you can chat with the people, so you can share your information. Because I am a host, I can chat the information to the students. For example, if I am giving the inputs text, means they can able to see. If they want to chat, means I need to enable this option, so everyone can able to chat the option. So I can, so one-way communication is there. If I enable, means two-way communication will be enabled, so they can able to chat. If you want to close this, just hide the option, means automatically the toggle will off, means the chat option will be disabled. Yes, so here there will be a activity windows will be given here. Once you click the activity windows, same thing, recording option will be available in the shortcut as well as the whiteboard option. So whatever I gave you, same thing. So activities windows also given here for a recording purpose and whiteboard option. From here you can record whatever you are recording. So if my meeting is recording, means automatically it will ask you to stop recording. Otherwise, you just click here to whiteboard options, directly it will direct you to the Google Jamboard. So this is a activity part. They are divided into activity part. As well as on the last corner you will find host control, same thing. So Host will be controlled their stop screening as well as send chat messages they can able to access, and quick access. When turn off, everyone it's invited must be asked. So once they enter means automatically we can turn on the quick access option. So you can click host setting option, audio and video as well as host control. So host control will be given as a quick access. When turn off, the host must join first, and only people invited by the host can join without asking. Everyone else must ask to join, including people who dial. People cannot join automatic anonymously, as well as only host can dial out of the meeting. So this is as given as the quick access. If you turn off the quick access also, so automatically everyone can enter the meeting. So this is a cool and new option which is perfectly alright in a Google Meet. So Google Meet is provide us with a clear layout, so with full screen option, whatever you're presenting to the audience, it won't be disturbed to anyone. The black layout with screen, so whatever visually you are going to talk, automatically it will be reached to the particular people. So this new layout is cool and good. If you want to cut the call, once you click a cut option, automatically it will ask you just leave the call or end the call. So if you want to end the recording, then only you can able to end all the meeting. I just select here, so activity window, I just record and stop recording option. So once I stop recording, so my recording will be stopped over here. So now I can able to end all meetings. Yes, so just leave the call or end the call. For example, if I leave the call means my students remain there so they can talk. If I end all means the meeting will be end all. So this is a cool option. Use this option, you can end meeting all. So this is ended with a new features. Yes, if you like this layout, please comment in the comment box, share with your friends and subscribe my HowX channel. Thank you dear friends, have a great and good day.